Our easy wire burning kit was designed in collaboration with professional woodworker Carl Jacobson. It has 2 sure grip American maple handles and features replaceable wires in 3 wire lengths and 3 wire gauges. No need to toss this tool if the wire wears or breaks. Simply replace the wire. The Easy Wire Burning Kit will allow you to add beautiful detail to your project, cost effectively. The .016 diameter wire is color-coded red and creates smaller details. The .020 diameter wire is color-coded white and creates thicker detail. The .026 wire diameter is color-coded blue and creates the largest details. Placing your wires on the tool is easy. Simply slide the looped eye on each end of the selected wire into the metal ring on each end of the handles. Slightly mark your project where you would like to put the burned detail. While gripping both handles, pull the wire tight and with your lathe speed at about 2000 RPM, apply slight downward pressure onto your project coming over the top. Do not wrap the end of the wires around the project and do not work from underneath. The 6-inch wires are perfect for smaller projects like pens, rings, and small vessels. The 9-inch wires are used for bowls and other medium-sized projects. And the 18-inch wires work nicely on bowls, plates, and other large shapes.